This
Recording.
conference will now be recorded.
Great.
Pardon?
Nothing, Priyanka.
Okay. Come down. Here, once you come to supervisory organization, so one guy is already in unavailability field where he is going to join on 1st of July. Earliest hire date is 30th, but he will join on 1st of July. And we are going to hire a guy who can join immediately today itself. So for that, what is the first step we need to do is come to staffing and create position. And here, what will be the position list? Any request. I mean, like either acquisition or to create the new position, either in the understaffed or in the, pardon? Hello? Anything? Is my
No,
voice
Priyanka.
audible?
No, Priyanka, we can go ahead. I think it's someone unmuted by mistake.
Okay. So here there will be two reasons which is by default. Even in real time also we will see these two reasons only, either acquisition process or like creating a new position request for a new project or understaffed. I mean, like already one guy there, so he left the company, and in his position we are going to hire the candidate. So for my request, it is a new project to me. The position title is again let's take chief technical officer. Chief technical means no, I'll take chief executive officer. I don't know whether I have created compensation grade profiles or not for CTO. I just check. Come up. Compensation profiles. I hope we have created. So let me. The job title is Chief Technical Officer, and the availability date. So 26 we have created, and today he is going to join. So on or before today, the candidate should go close. So what is the job family as usual? So if you select job family here, we cannot able to get job profile. Now select job family again. And location, I am going to call this guy for USA. And he is for a full-time employee. And worker type as a full-time employee again. The subtype will be regular or casual employee or somewhat. And say submit. Once you click on the submit, what will it happen? So normally Logan is the HR partner in our organization. That's why Logan can approve this task immediately as a self approval process. But in real time, what will happen means if you don't have the self approval process, in this here you will see the step forwarded to Logan McNeil. So till Logan McNeil approve the task, you have to wait for that. So up to here to click on the submit, your task is done. in real time also your task has done. So if any issue, they will get back to you again. If there is no issue means they will go with further process. Say done, and please do hire here. So once you create the job position or hiring restrictions, immediately you will go for hiring itself. So here you will find hire employee, and there are two things are there. One is create new pre-hire. So new pre-hire means newly you are going to update the details. Existing pre-hire means already the candidate details was there in the database. So how that details will come here? It is nothing but the details. I mean, like normally candidates used to attend for the interviews and all, so that time they used to provide the documents for us. So whatever the documents are there, so that documents data will upload here in the Workday database. So that is a pre-hire database, not the onboard database. That is a pre-hire database we need to assume, or we need to fix to that. Say for example the task is same. You need to open a duplicate window. So you need to type create pre-hire. There you need to enter the details. So once you enter, there will be one ID will generate. So I'll create that. Create. Create pre-hire. And the source is nothing but any source, either employees or social network. I got a profile from LinkedIn. So there is no reference. If the profile is referred by LinkedIn, so maybe from LinkedIn any employee has short listed that profile, so we can have that name here. And here the prefix is Miss. I'm giving one name like Anika Wilson, and go to contact information. Just give email ID. Anything we have to give. Anika@live.com. Home email ID that is, and say OK. So here there is a pre-hire ID. So this pre-hire ID we need to copy and come here in the first tab, and here please copy that and paste here. See, you can able to see here the Anika Wilson details. It means some earlier I have saved Anika's
Will now
details.
be recorded.
Till now recording has done, right? What happened? Is the record just now started? Abhilash? Fine. I hope record has started before to this itself, right?
Yes, Priyanka. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, maybe somewhat. So here we have copied the pre-hire ID, no? So I have entered here automatically. I got the details. Say OK now.
So this existing prior is something, a person applies job from outside. So that data is getting
Not
loaded
like
here.
that. Not applies from job from outside. Already he applied. He attended for the interview, and while attending the interview, we will submit some documents.
Okay.
Either one round complete or two rounds complete. So HR will get some documents and they will store the data in database.
How that information is stored, Priyanka? Then, for example, if I'm applying for a job from
Just now we
outside.
have stored the data, right? This is pre-hire process. Once you get selected in the company, so we will store the data in pre-hire.
Okay. Got it.
Like giving the name and address, these are the details, the pre-hire process.
Yeah. Understood. Understood. Yeah.
Yeah. So here earliest hire date is today itself to me. Today she has to join, and the reason is nothing but it is a new hire for new position. Automatically the position number have been created by Workday here. So this is like global ID, global number. So which is linked, which links to from Workday to our database. see, once I selected position, automatically the required details came here. Space, workspace is like either he is going to work in any other area or cubicle or building or office. So we will give that. And pay rate type is nothing but not monthly, either regular. So I'm going to select as regular salary and say submit. So as an employee, your task is done up to here. By clicking on submit, by giving the comment, your task is done. Say done. Now there is another process. See, she has joined here. Okay, but the compensation part was not done. Why it was not done? We didn't call that compensation business process in the hire process. In the hire itself, we need to call the compensation part also, but we didn't call that. Now I am going to call that process. So that happens sometimes. I mean, like few organizations will not include compensation in workday because some organizations will not go with new cloud setups to share the complete salary data and all in the cloud system. So they want to continue with their server based only. That time they will not configure this compensation business process in their systems to call. Even they will not create compensation also. Only few organizations will use this workday for employee database to maintain. That's it. Go to hire. In this hire, you need to call this compensation part. Say related actions, edit the definition, say okay, and come down. So I'm going to make it as A1 or BRC, whatever it is, C, B. So it is an action to the compensation person. So compensation partner have to include in this. So what is that specification means? Compensation to define. Propose compensation hire. We already configured this business process in separately. So that business process we are going to call here. Compensation partner. Come down. Ignore all. So this is compensation partner. Say okay. And done. Now do the same process again. Here we have called Anika Wilson, right? So go to human resource now, create a job group and start to hiring over there. Go to organizations. So to create a job group, to set the hiring restrictions, you need to go to organization. For creating position, you need to go to staffing. So here, why this option is not coming? Here we used to see set hiring restrictions. That is the reason, because I need to select this job management staffing model. So what is our job profile that we have created actually? Software engineer, right? HR executive and software engineer. Now you can able to see set hiring restrictions to create the job group. It is similar to the create position only, but still we have to create, right? Come to organization. See here, the option is available now called set hiring restrictions. Select set hiring restrictions. The same, the reason for hiring. It is a new organization and the availability date is like yesterday's date. Yesterday itself we have received. Today I started hiring few people. So they are going to join today itself. Our future date also, if you want to give, you can give. No issues on that. Only future date it will be acceptable, not past date. 1 second. So here I am going to I don't know compensation grade that what I have created for job management. We didn't create anything for job management, right? Even job profile also. We have created job profiles. We have created job profiles, but on last week we have used another tenant, Elite. There was a tenant issue came, so in that we have created. Remember? Remember or not?
Yeah, Priyanka.
So we need to do the complete setup now. So please hold this hiring restrictions. Let me create job profile again because we have created in the another tenant, no? So that's what. Create job profile. Again, someone is accessing the tenant. No? I'm not going to create any job classification and all. So just for sake, I am going to create these. Say okay. And the profile name is nothing but human resource executive or manager. Yeah, if you want to hire like multiple managers also there in your organization, HR managers. So you can create all these guys under one job management. Human resource executive. Include the code. So come to management level. Select individual contributor. Fine, ignore these two, no issues. So I'm going down and job category is direct labor. So referral plan is available. And it is a public job. And say okay. And done no. And create compensation process also. Create compensation grade. I hope we already created eligibility rules for non-management also. Give the effective date of 25th. Use it to grade profiles. or you can call directly also, nothing will happen. So here I am going to give the name called GSS Comp Grade HRE, and the base pay element is base pay or standard base pay, whatever you want you can. Eligibility rules means for GSS non-management, sorry, all employees and non-management, both I am going to call. Currency is USD and frequency is annual. See, refresh the page. Someone is accessing the account. That is the main headache here. Someone means those who have complete access of Workday, that guy is accessing this. Create comp grade. Don't mind, I'm going bit fast. Why? Because means again that side, if anyone refresh the page, the complete will go. That's what.
Priyanka, rule you have to select non-manager also, right?
Yeah, you can select. No issues on that. See here, from $50,000 to I will give 75,000. So this is the package that I am going to give to my candidate of HR executive annually. Say okay and done. Okay, create salary plan also. Allowance plan I am going to ignore now. Salary plan. So the plan name is nothing but we have created salary plan also, right? For all employees. Ignore this. Come down. Job profile. Sorry, guys. Supervisory organization so and so required. Go to related actions of human resource. Go to organization. What happened suddenly? Abhilash, 1 second, guys. Because another guy is taking care of this. I don't know because every time the task is going off. Abhilash, you there? Abhilash or Rajesh? Abhilash? Hi, Joseph. Why nothing is coming? 1 second, guys. Actually, the task is not completing because this tenant is not available in our hands to complete the process. So this guy is not having the access to create the task. That's what he is not getting. It is not in our hands. Somewhat someone is handling from another side. Now go to related actions. Come to organization. Here you can able to see hiring restrictions. Just before, why we didn't get that option means that Shetty is not having that access. So that is the reason. So only it depends on the access itself. Without access, the workday will not run. And location for USA I am going to take, and the time type is full time, and the worker type is like employee, and subtype is like a casual employee. Submit and done, and go to this supervisory organization of human resource. Now you can able to see here hire. So hire an employee, create a new pre-hire. The source is referred by someone from employees, current employee. Anika has referred this. Is Anika, prefix is Mr. Oscar Rof 9 oscar.rofel@gmail.com. This is the mail ID which I am going to provide here, and the type is email ID type is home. Say okay. Whether you want to publish for public or not, that is your wish. I mean like HR wish. The reason for hiring is like new hire it is, or recall or anything. Based on the task, we will select that. The workspace, please exclude because we don't have anything here, and say submit. Once you give submit, say done. So actually we need to call the compensation part. Why the compensation part is not affecting? So here we have called that, right? So compensation partner. So we have clearly configured. Come here, propose compensation. Right, I understood the topic. Why it is affecting to this means here we have called the business object called top level management. So that is the reason. But let me go through with human resource. I will explain. Normally, so for job management staffing model, it is for separate, and for position management staffing model, it is separate. But in few organizations, even in my organization also, what we do have means these are all common resources where we will follow the same, which is like common things. So we will not give any specifications to any job management or position management, except create position or set hiring restrictions. Remaining and all like hire compensation or edit the compensation, edit hire, these things and all will be common to all the supervisory organizations where we will configure accordingly. But here in this tenant, what is happening means for each and every tenant who leads to like, so one is like position management and another one is job management. So for those, it is asking for separate business process to configure. Now, please go to human resource and again hire one more candidate. Hire an employee, because here no limitation, any n number of people you can hire. Now I got the profile from again LinkedIn. So if you want to allow any duplicate names, say for example Thomas Edison. So there are so many guys are there with Thomas Edison. You can allow the duplicate names. So then how can we differ the things means based on the employee ID? So the name, Martin Christ. Come to contact information. Come to email. Bloody. Please refresh the page. Unfortunately, someone is doing hacking. I think this tenant again. Logan came.
Priyanka, I just wanted to ask,
Mhm.
can't we have a common business process like a compensation for all the employees?
We do have. That's what I'm saying, right? Few
Yeah, you
organizations.
said that.
Mm.
You said that. Let's say when we are talking about job management, that we'll do. Can we have the same thing for position management as well?
It means what? The compensation to see. I mean, I didn't get your point.
No, now we are creating for each and every position we are creating a separate process, right?
No, for HR related, we are creating this.
Okay.
No, you want to see the same process in position management?
No. For example, compensation process what you created that can be
Huh.
applied for all the employees, right? We no need to
All the
create
candidates,
separately.
not the employees.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, I mean to say candidate. So can't we use that for all the candidates? Do we have to create multiple times?
No, 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 no. Once you configure the business process, it will be applicable for all the positions, all
Okay,
the
okay,
candidates. No need to go and do the candidate for every time. The thing is like for this supervisory organization, I didn't configure that business process definition called proposed compensation hire. We configured to position management, not to the business process of this job management.
okay. Got it.
Okay. Let me check again with our business process of what is that hiring restrictions, hire process, GSS human. That hire process is common to this job management or not? We'll check that. Go to business processes and create copy or link definition. See, for this like what is this? For job management, again there is a business process configuration we need to configure. It means for position management, completely one process is going on, one set, and for job management, completely one set is going on. But normally, I mean, like in my previous organization and in current organization also, this edit hiring restrictions, edit proposed compensation, these are all common to all the supervisory organizations. Add B, propose compensation, propose compensation higher, and give to compensation partner. So whatever we have configured just now, I mean like this step 2 behind, so that is for position management, this is for job management. Now say okay. Say okay, and the hire date is today itself. We can give Monday date also. If you want to wait till Monday, we can wait. Anyways, we have given one date for a new hire, like for future date, 30th, 1st of July. So we'll wait for him, submit, and done. Actually, I need to do this again. Why? Because means these two guys came. Why my business process is not working here? Something is happening. So we have configured proposed compensation higher also. So everything we have configured, but it is not following the process. What is the reason? What are the roles are assigned here? Okay. Actually, the settings are completely changed here. No worries. We'll set up everything. First of all, please assign the role called compensation partner. So there is no role for compensation partner. That's why it was not happened. See, there is no role. But we have assigned a security group called compensation partner. Not this. Assigned to Teresa. Okay, say okay. I need to raise a complaint on this with the organizer actually, because with this process it will not happen every time, right? No worries. Again, we can discuss on Monday also the same steps. It will not happen today. So I will repeat the same task on Monday as well. Until and until I will see the result, I will not leave this task. With this guy, it is not possible. 1 second, guys. I need to talk to Deepak because this is not. It will not able to continue. Someone is accessing, no? So this guy is not having the access. ఇంకెవరు యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నారు? అంటే ప్రాసెస్ నడుస్తుంది 1 వీక్ నుంచి మనకి. ఈ రోజే ఈ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది. దివాకర్ శెట్టి అనే బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎవరో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. బట్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ క్యాండిడేట్ కి యాక్సెస్ లేదనమాట. సో టాస్క్లు అవ్వట్లేదు. ఈ రోజు కంప్లీట్ 1 అవర్ వేస్టే కదా. ఎవ్రీ టైం వస్తుంది కదా అది. అండ్ ఈ వీడియో షేర్ చేయకండి ఎవరికి స్టూడెంట్స్ కి కూడా, బికాస్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఎర్రర్స్ అది. నేను ఒకసారి నేను స్టూడెంట్స్ తో మాట్లాడతాను. Oh, sorry. Guys, I am so sorry for this actually. Actually, this is not the process to explain from my side. So they are taking care of this. So Monday we are going to continue this session again. The same process, like with module based. I mean like stepwise based, because so almost 7 times or 10 times the page was refreshed. So you guys, even me also getting confused what I am doing here. So Monday we are going to have a session and we will discuss accordingly this, because that guys are asking time for 10 to 15 minutes to discuss to check on this.
Sure, Priyanka.
Okay, so Monday we are going to repeat the same topic, like hiring the positions and also hiring the job management.
Joseph, yeah, so you would take care of this, or you want me to speak to Deepak on this?
Yeah, I already informed the organizer. I mean, like after Deepak actually he is a operations manager, right? So
Okay.
he will not look into, but if you want to inform, please inform. Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Because I informed to the organizer. So if you want to
Okay.
inform, because he is the point of contact to you, right? So you can.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Joseph.
Thanks, Priyanka. And again, we don't have the video recording for 20th. Even I've highlighted that to them, and there's no update.
Which date?
20th?
No, 20th I had, right? The class we had.
Yes.
It is not yet uploaded.
Not yet uploaded, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, and please check with Deepak Joseph because I mean I don't check all those.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Thank you,
also
guys.
the document, Priyanka.
I will share the documents, everything today, so they will forward to you.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Priyanka.
guys. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Priyanka.
Thank you, team.
Good
Thank
night.
you. Bye.
Thanks
Bye.
for
Bye.
joining. Thank you all.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.